Okay guys, so pretty much my face is bared. I went ahead and I put my moisturizer and hyaluronic acid on, but pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and just start with my eyebrow. You guys know, because this is the first thing I start with. So if you take a look at other celebrities and celebrity artists, the way how they do their makeup is different from how we normally do our makeup. Some people have harsh eyebrows and all of that stuff, so I'm gonna do it a little bit different. My eyebrow, I'm not gonna kind of arch it out or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it out. So what I'm gonna take, I'm gonna use my spoolie and just brush it up. And then I'm going to take my pencil. I sometimes go into the dip brow, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use the Benefit Precise My Brow Pencil in 4.5. And I really like this pencil a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in. As you already see that my eyebrow is, you know, spaced out. It's growing messed up and all of that good stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it in. And when I reach at the top, I'm just gonna kind of brush it up so that it kind of have a hair stroke like section here. And normally what I used to do, I used to like fill in the bottom and then fill in the top and then blend it in, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just gonna go ahead and just flick that up. And one thing with my eyebrow, they never look alike. Like even when I thread my eyebrow, this one is always looking good. I don't know why, and this one is really looking thin and shaped differently. So if my eyebrow don't come out looking like twin, they're in real life without even blend it and shade it in, it's not twin at all. So I'm not really cared about that part. I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill in those part that is missing. Okay, so when I do that, I don't have any brow gel at all. But if I do have a brow gel, I would go in with that. So now it's looking very natural, like it's looking very natural. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start with my concealer. Yes, I am. Okay, because if you watch the video with Tati, with Scott Barnes did Tati makeup, and he is also Jennifer Lopez makeup artist. Okay, and he did it very differently. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Lucky concealer and I picked up the shade D35 Neutral. First I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and this is like, I would say 2 shades lighter than me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it where I normally would have concealed. And I'm also gonna take that concealer right onto the side of my nose like that, bring it down a little bit. And this concealer is very full coverage and thick. Okay, so I normally do not, I stop contouring and also kind of like do my forehead, because I don't know, it just looked weird to me since recently, so I had stopped doing that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I put that concealer onto my forehead. So now I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it out. And it feels so weird not doing your foundation and then concealer. It feels so damn weird. I'm like, oh my god, what is going on? But I'm gonna try this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna see how it is. Okay, so normally after concealer I set right away because it will definitely get creased up on me, but today's not the day. I'm gonna go into my cream contour. You guys know I hate cream contouring. I love, love, love powder contour. But today I'm gonna use my Fenty matte stick in Expresso. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little contour. We shall see how this go. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take a brush instead. This brush is a little dirty, sorry, but I'm gonna take a brush instead of the sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start blending out that contour. So with the beauty blender, I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat it in, just the harsh lines. And with this nose contour, I have this brush that I have like 2 years ago. I bought it from the beauty supply store. It's really, really good for the nose contour. And I bring the sides of the contour, like right here, out a little bit so that the lines is not harsh. Okay, so now that the contour is blended out, I need powder. Like, I need foundation on my skin. I really do, because right now I don't think that it looks that great on me. I don't know if they do put foundation on their skin afterwards, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit, like 1 pump of the Kat Von D, just like that, just 1 pump, and then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just tap it around, because I want it to be very, very, very light, as you can see, just like that. And then I'm gonna just tap it all over, but I'm not gonna put it where under my eyes. So wherever I put that contour, I'm just gonna tap it over it. Okay, so now it's looking a little bit better. Look at that. Wow. Not bad. Okay, so you guys know that normally when you cream contour, you have to set your cream contour. So what I'm gonna use is the Fenty in Mocha Mami. I am obsessed. I am super obsessed, and I'm so happy I picked this up. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So after that's done, I'm gonna go in, and what am I gonna do? Yes, I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna set it. Let me just pat it in a little bit because it started to crease up on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and set, and I'm using the Fenty in Butter. So for the next powder, I'm gonna go into Nutmeg and set the rest of my face. And I'm also gonna do a reverse contour with this. So first I'm gonna take a brush. So after, I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it off, because you guys know that I do have dry skin. So now guys, after everything is finished and it looks very, very, very smooth and natural, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia blush trio in Cocktail Party, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of blush, just a regular thing that I always do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlights. And for the highlight, I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. You guys know that I love this so much. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face because my face feels so dry. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna quickly off camera do my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some lips on, and then when I'm all done, I'm gonna show you the final result. Okay guys, so this is the finished look after I did my eyes and I put on a little bit of lip. And this lashes is from my hair company, percise.com. The link is always in the description box, so make sure you check it out. This one is called Island Gal. So yeah, this is the finished look. It is so pretty, so nice. Like, I cannot believe I did my foundation or the routine a different way, and I love it. I really love it. It was scary at first, but after everything is on and the whole entire makeup look is finished, it turned out well. It did, and I hope you like it too. So make sure you check me out every single day, Monday through Friday. Turn on your bell and turn on your notification, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.